Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing the top 5 websites where you can earn money online. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our money-making tips.
Number 1. Upwork. If you have skills in writing, design, programming, or any other field, Upwork connects freelancers with clients worldwide. You can find it at www.upwork.com.
At number 2, Fiverr. Similar to Upwork, Fiverr lets you offer your freelance services, but it also has a unique twist. Check it out at www.fiverr.com. Number 3, Swagbucks. Earn money and gift cards by taking surveys, watching videos, and more. Sign up at www.swagbucks.com. At the 4th spot, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Complete small tasks and earn money online. Find it at www.mturk.com. And last but not least, number 5, Freelancer. Join the world's largest freelancing marketplace at www.freelancer.com. There you have it, folks, the top 5 websites to start earning money online. Remember, success depends on your skills, dedication, and hard work. Check out the links in the description below to get started.